chapter 2, shlokas 16 till 20. First shloka 16. Nasato vidyate bhavo nabhavo vidyate satah ubayorapi drishtontas tvanayos bharshibihi. So Lord Krishna says, Na asatah vidyate bhavah. That asat, that which is not real, that which is not true, na vidyate bhavah. That doesn't really exist. That which is unreal, that which is not true. And nabhavo vidyate satah, na abhavah vidyate satah. Of that which is true and real, abhavah na vidyate. It is not found lacking that which is true. But what is this sat and asat? It is very difficult for us common people to perceive and understand completely. So, for that, what should we do? We have to approach a tattva darshan. So, the second line we have to interpret as Anayoho ubayoho api antah drishtah. The inside of both this, the sat and asat, drishtah, is seen by tattvadarshibihi. It is seen by the tattvadarshan, the knowers of what is sat and asat. So we have to approach them to get a clear understanding of this, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 17. Avinashi tu tad viddhi yena sarvamidam tatam vinashamavyayasyasya na kaschit kartum arhati. So Krishna says, Hey Arjuna, avinashi tu tat viddhi. Avinashi, that which can't be destroyed. So, what is Lord Krishna referring to? He is referring to the Supreme Soul, Avinashi. Tat Avinashi Viddhi. Know that. Know that to be imperishable. Ena sarvam idam tatam. Ena, by that, sarvam idam tatam. Everything in this universe is pervaded. Tatam. So by that Supreme Soul, everything in this universe is pervaded. Vinasham avyayasyasya. We have to split it as Vinasham avyayasya asya. Asya avyayasya. Of this Supreme Soul, which doesn't diminish. Vinasham na kaschit kartum arhati. Nobody can destroy, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 18. Antavanta ime deha nityasyokta sharirinaha anashino prameyasya tasmadyudhyasva bharata. So this has to be interpreted as Anashinah aprameyasya nityasya sharirinaha ime deha antavantah uktaha. So, belonging to this soul, the sharirin refers to the soul. So, belonging to that soul which is anashin, which cannot be destroyed, aprameya, which can't be defined or comprehended, nitya, which is always permanent, belonging to that soul, ime dehaha antavantah. These bodies have an end. Iti uktah. It is thus said. Tasmat yudhyasva Bharata. From that reason, Hey Arjuna, Hey Bharata, yudhyasva. Fight, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 19. Ya enam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubau tau na vijanito nayam hanti na hanyate. Ya enam hantaram veti. He who considers the soul as a killer, yaschainam manyate hatam, yaha cha enam hatam manyate. He who considers that the soul can be killed, ubau tau na vijanito. Both of these do not really know. Na ayam hanti na hanyate. The soul doesn't kill nor does it get killed, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 20. Na jayate mriyate va kadachinnayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuyah ajo nitya shashvato yam purano na hanyate hanyamane sharire. So Lord Krishna goes on to tell about the soul. Na jayate. It is not born. Na mriyate. It doesn't die. Bhutva bhuyah bhavita iti na. So, bhutva, it is not as if it came once and then bhuyah again it came bhavita iti na. So, it is not as if it came once and it has come and it is going to come again. That also we cannot say it is true. Ajo nitya shashvato yam purano. Ajah, which is unborn. Nityah, which is there always. Shashvatah, permanent. Puranah, from ancient long time. Na hanyate hanyamane sharire. The soul is not killed. Na hanyate, even though hanyamane sharire, even though it is present in a body which dies, says Lord Krishna.